lads. Oh, wow. The two Jack boys together. Yes, it's an S15. I've seen a Whalley though, so hang on. And he's got a few mods that he wants doing to it today. I can't remember exactly which ones they are, but we're going to ask him in a minute. Where the bloody hell is my beanie gone? I need my beanie. I can't work without a beanie. Fuck it, hats on instead then. Yeah, right, lads. They're not the same wheels on as the other day, are they?
Yeah.
They are?
Just cleaning it.
Oh, just clean. Oh, it's a beast. So it's good on the drive.
Oh, mate,
So it's well nice to clean.
some JDM driving,
JDM goodness. Where'd you get all these stickers from, you?
Auto Vision's doing. Any
But
colour. 150. The plug.
We'll do first. I don't even know what you've got, whatever you got. Oh, well that quick release would piss easy if you already got an aftermarket one on.
No, it's nothing else. It's just a steering wheel.
I thought you had an aftermarket quick release.
Yeah.
You got a quick release?
Oh,
It's a Boss kit, innit? So
Yeah,
you
I
got,
got the Boss and the actual quick release.
and what, is that it?
That's all you need.
Oh, I mean, is that all you wanted to install?
And the stereo.
The stereo?
Yeah.
Oh, did you not get the HIDs then?
No, because I don't fuse my car really.
Yeah, you don't want HIDs.
But
in,
I'll have to drill the plates in because...
yeah, I don't think I've got a drill.
I thought you had a drill.
No, I should. Yeah,
The front one's fine. The
I
back
do,
one,
but
it's the rear.
I do have a drill, but I just don't know where it is. Fucking hell, loose in hell. Why is it so loose?
Because it's from eBay.
Right, you want to do this, do you? Steering wheel.
Which one's
What do you want to do first, stereo or steering wheel?
Well, I know more about steering wheels than I do about stereos.
Whip that wheel off.
Well, sorry, I'll rephrase that. I know more about bolts than I do about stereos. Yeah, we'll get the steering wheel off.
You'll be able to take that off when you're more like ready.
Right, we'll get the steering wheel off, right? The horn doesn't work anyway.
Nope.
That's why.
Also,
the ground's fucked.
Jesus. Alright, so
That's why it's not working. All you need to do is I'll tell you what, I bet it'll work now. Hold the camera. If the horn is working, this should work now. Hang
I
on.
don't fuse my car, it is from 99.
It should work now. Ah, I don't know. Unless that's not a good ground, hang on. It's just not. Oh, because it's not actually got.
it's not even
It's not
connected.
nice one.
attached.
Look at this.
I can't really see all ball bearings and all that stuff. It's pretty cool.
It's an NRG.
That's nice, that.
NRG.
NRG,
Right, let's
yeah.
get this off.
You really need those neochrome wheel bolts.
Come out.
Fucking problem already. Same as mine when I over tighten them and someone's over tightening these bastards.
You start hammering this.
Yeah, we're gonna have to hammer a torch in the summer. We're gonna have to whack something else into it.
Jesus.
Otherwise, it's just never gonna come out. Fucking genius, lad.
You got it?
Yeah.
Till the airbag comes off.
Shut up.
Airbag's not on it, is it? It's been taken off, hasn't it? Taken off.
Tucking off.
Right, this bastard's on tight and he's not got steering lock, so
I used to bet I don't. They'll come on, in 6.
might have to get a rattle gun on this. Oh, fucking dead. Got the bastard. The ratchet and this is knacker. But the boss kit isn't coming off easily, so I'm gonna tighten down the steering wheel and then hopefully it pulls off. I'm having trouble with this boss kit, it's not coming off. I've tried the whacking steering wheel thing, and it's just not coming off. It's just, I'm looking at it, I just don't understand where it connects to the actual steering column. I don't understand it, because it looks totally different to this one. It just looks completely bloody different. So I don't understand where it's supposed to clip onto there. I mean, it's still fine, because he can still put his quick release onto that boss kit. For some reason, he doesn't want that boss kit, but I think he's got no other fucking option, to be honest. For the time being, we're going to leave this boss kit on and see how he likes it. Apparently, he's been a picky bastard because he wants it a bit further away from him. And apparently, he says this is shorter, but I don't think it is much shorter, to be honest. I really don't think it is. But what? Ripping you, lad. It's because you're being an awkward. Fucking hell, this bit doesn't look like it, does it? So why did you not get it fixed over there? What are you missing out on?
Oh,
You just didn't want to piss him out with it?
No, I'm not. Well,
no, you need for ignition live it, don't you?
Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, we do.
Twist this off now. I want one for Astra.
One of these?
Yeah.
How much was it?
15 quid, I think.
be careful that eBay and Novel not go back on.
I think they're about 15 quid.
That would you?
Fucking hell, tech tips with Daniel here.
Yeah, here we go.
How to remove a radio
Jesus.
from S15.
Did you fit this back in? You're missing a bolt. You're missing a bolt.
There's always one left over, it's alright.
It's in glove compartment, not glove.
Oh, does this bit knock? Oh, that's
It's
easy.
in there, but I'm sure I put shit in wrong.
Easy peasy. Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute, Whoa, 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 whoa. You're plugging our wires behind here.
He's fucking me.
Whoa, stop! The wires are still plugged in here. There you go. And that's safety clips. Jesus.
Don't lose any bastard screws.
This bit comes with the radio, the first bit. So that goes into the radio, and that goes to a standard ISO plug. Then we've got an extra wire in loom, which is a standard ISO plug. And apparently, do they clip into the ones? Yeah, they clip in fine, right, okay. Now he's not getting power, which makes me think that the car isn't getting an ignition live, which is either the red or the yellow one, they swap around each car. But to test it actually all's working, I'm gonna put the red one and the yellow one together on the permanent live, and then it's tricking the radio into thinking it's got two sources of power, then it should turn on.
Boom.
Right, so a radio needs two powers to turn on, so you've got an ignition live, and then which when you turn your ignition off, the radio turns off, so it don't stay on all the time. By pulling this out and then putting it to that, we're going to trick it into thinking it's got two sources of power, and it should turn on. If it's not this one, it's the other side. We're going to have to pull out the red and then do that to the red one. Right, so that's not turning on. So let's try the other side. Put that in there.
I'm gonna blow it up here.
No, now it should turn on when you put these together. Should. Ah, right then. So it's a ground problem. Right, following these wires back, the first fucking problem is that there's no ground, not top pin. So that's 100% why the radio's not turning on. I think I can probably get it to turn on, to be honest, if I just ground that myself.
Wiring diagram.
Yeah, that'd
You
help.
can get them online.
Oh.
Yeah, get one online.
Oh, let's see.
Get an S15 wiring diagram online, because I don't understand what orange is. I mean, orange might just go straight to orange, which would make sense, but I don't understand what
You got
orange
them
is.
on that mic.
Just fucking Google it.
You dumb.
What can I do?
We know what to do though, it's in
gone
the
home and printed that diagram.
Just
back,
get it
mate.
on fucking Google. Get off the Owners Club, like, get it on Google.
Right, what am I searching?
Why are you in Owners Club?
S15. Yeah, why is it?
Why are you in that Owners Club? I'm the one
This
who
is
owns
mine.
it.
S15.
S15 radio wiring diagram. It's the power
Blue and orange stripe is
Right,
front
read it out
left.
to me while I do this. Hang on. Basically, this actually is right, because that's saying that the orange is your 12 volt, which is going to the red, which is ignition, and the yellow is your permanent live, and that's going to what's red and black, which is saying permanent live as well. So I'm not sure why it's not turning on then. Oh, because it's not grounded. That's why it's not working. The ground, it's not being grounded.
Is that a new pollen filter?
Wait, what's it saying is the ground on that one? Where's it saying the ground?
The
The antenna is also ground. Right,
also
okay,
a
so
ground,
that's so because
No, the black and white, white and black stripe is a ground, but the antenna is also a ground.
right. So what we're going to do is we're literally just going to leave the antenna in that ground, and then we're going to ground it ourselves to a bolt in here. But I'm just going to put it to the steering wheel for the time being. So I'm going to cut this wire, and I'm going to put it to the steering wheel, and it should turn on then. Right, let me get some scissors.
Oh, fucking hell.
If worst comes to worst, you can literally just wire it back together. I've got connectors. Lads.
What are them socks? One of those.
Oh, you fucking twat. As I'm going to cut that black, strip the wire down, and we're going to give it its own ground, and then it should turn on. If not, then I have no fucking idea. Right? We just need to ground this on something. Look at this fucking fuck it. Right. I think, right, let's get, right, come on. Right, we're going to try this now. Right, we're grounded there, right? Oh, fucking hell. Right, we're grounded. We're grounded. You ready?
We're alive!
Has it come on?
It did. Yeah, it's on.
We're on! Hey! Told ya! Go on YouTube.
Hey!
Right, go on YouTube and play some non-copyright shit.
Tokyo Drift.
I know what I'm playing, but it might be
Type
copyrighted.
in Prismo hold on, so I know that's not copyrighted.
Fuck about that. I'll tell you what.
Make sure it's not copyrighted though,
It
or
might
I'll
be.
get fucked.
Initial D is
Some
copyrighted.
dodgy
Sorry.
music here. I think that's copyrighted.
It's copyrighted. It's initial D.
No, that.
Play it
From
off.
Vivo.
Just type it. Fuck that, lad. Stop.
It's from Initial D. It's cartoon.
Let's see if it works.
Hey! Coming to help. My neighbours are gonna fucking love me. There's driveway, what's going on at the minute?
This.
Fucking hell, it took us long enough, Jesus. Getting that flush. Press the button, does it feel alright? Does it feel sturdy and shit? Oh yeah, perfect that, isn't it?
Fucking move. What's meant that?
Mint, sick.
Goodness, what can I where can these go?
They're going to be gone, aren't they?
They're the ones that I've got on my car.
What, these?
Yeah, they're exactly the same ones.
12 mil.
Let's have a look at inside. Is it like a? Oh no, mine are like spline bits. Yeah, pretty much same colour. So. Right, nearly done with this. Right then, we're all good. Let's see if we're all right.
Should be 170. Oh no.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
Oh, you've got a dodgy wire.
Yeah, it's
We
the
have.
hazards. The hazards. You've not plugged it in proper, I don't think.
Yeah, why is the radio not turning on? Fucking hell!
8.75J.
You're fucking done. Put some.
Wait! And 9.75J.
Well, how much is that?
It's 545.
What, these wheels? Is
Front and back is an extra.
Right, let me put some tune on. Beasts. For the pics, lad. Right, and we're all on. Radio's on. Steering wheel's on. What was it? Lockwood who? Another happy customer at Lockwood Garage. Right, test driving it. First drive. We can't have music on anyway, I'll get fucked on copyright.
It's in with Bluetooth. Birdie, turn your Bluetooth off. It's a dickhead.
No, babe. That's weird there, isn't it?
I don't know what it is. Shoot me, shoot.
See if it's straight. Ah, straight. Nailed it.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I'm glad I got new stereo and I've got no play. Okay, brilliant.
This way, hang on. Go back round. He's going that way.
Can I go down here?
I mean, well, yeah, but it's the other way around. Go.
Fuck me.
Follow him, follow him.
Oh, I'm not kicking a fatty again.
Yeah, let's kick it. It's pretty warm now, though. Yeah, straight down here. He's gone straight round, so he's probably done the same thing.
What?
Tim will smoke that. I couldn't catch
Tim.
my breath when he let
Oh,
off.
Tim, I thought you were shouting it in for his
No.
camera's fucking state.
You're ordering one of those things so I can get it.
Flying for back of